I used to spend 20 minutes on a single work email. Now it takes 30 seconds, and I'm not talking about some watered down autocomplete. I mean opening ChatGPT, typing a quick description of what I need, and getting back a polished professional email that actually sounds like me, ready to send. Here's what that looks like in real life. Say your manager asks you to follow up with a client who went quiet. You don't know what to say. You don't want to come off pushy. You sit there staring at a blank screen. Instead, you type something like, write a friendly follow-up email to a client who hasn't responded in 2 weeks. Keep it short, not pushy, professional tone. That's it. 30 seconds later, you have something you'd actually send. And if this is the kind of thing you want more of, Stack Future drops one of these every day. Okay, back to it. The prompt doesn't need to be fancy. It just needs to tell the AI who you're writing to, what you want to say, and how you want to sound. The thing people get wrong is they take the first draft and send it without touching it. Don't do that. Read it out loud. If something sounds too stiff, just tell the AI, make this sound less formal, or shorter, more direct. It'll rewrite it in seconds. You can even paste in an old email you wrote and say, match this tone. Honestly, that one changed everything for me. It stopped sounding like a robot wrote it and started sounding like me, just a more organized, faster version of me. This works for cold outreach, internal updates, difficult conversations, requests for time off, client recaps, basically any email where you've ever sat there thinking, how do I even start this? Bottom line, the hard part of work emails isn't the writing. It's figuring out what to say and how to say it. AI handles exactly that part. You still make the call. It just stops the blank page paralysis cold. Next video is about using AI to prep for meetings. Same idea, genuinely useful. If this helped, tap the like button. It actually does help more people find this stuff.